Good afternoon, Bicolanja. We are now down to our third game this Saturday. It's the ACLC Hawks going up against the ACC Green Serpents. Of course, makakasama niyo pa rin po ako. I am Christina Alcanzo Reyes para po maghatid po sa inyo ng napakagandang aksyon ngayong hapon na ito. Live na live po dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga University GYMNASIUM. At para po sa mga hindi makakapunta, of course, live na live din po tayo sa ating mga Facebook pages sa ating Bucal, Oragon Sports TV at One Media TV 48 Naga. Of course, makakasama lang din po natin ang ating mga courtside reporter na sina Eliza Faith Respeto at Kyla Casulya para maghatid po sa atin ng mga aksyon inside and outside the court para sa ating dalawang kupunan. At ngayong hapon nga po, aabangan natin itong ating dalawang kupunan. Pag-usapan muna natin yung ating ACLC Hawks kung saan nakuha nga nila yung kanilang huling panalo against the NCF Tigers. Napakagandang laban po yun na panood natin. And of course, ngayon nga, handang-handa sila to get another win against the ACC Green Serpents dahil nga napakaganda ng performance nila during the last game. Ngayon, titinan natin kung magiging consistent ba sila para makuha muli ang kanilang panalo ngayong hapon na ito. Of course, andyan yung kanilang mga key players dito sa side ng ating ACLC Hawks. Of course, we have Basagre, we have the team captain, at sa lahat po ng players ng ating ACLC Hawks na talaga namang mas determinado na sila ngayon to get a win. And in just a few minutes, we're going to start this matchup of the Hawks and the Green Serpents. At sabi nga natin kanina, handang-handa na itong ating ACLC Hawks. At sa laban nitong ating ACC Green Serpents, ano kaya yung magiging adjustment nila dito? And to hear an update all the way from their side, let's hear it from Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you so much, Tina. Good afternoon, Bicolanja, and to all our basketball fans who are watching us live via One Media, TV 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV. We are now on the third game today, ACLC Hawks versus the ACC Green Serpents. Ako po muli, si Kyla Casulya, at ako ang inyong makakasama on the side of the ACLC Hawks. After winning the game against the undefeated NCF Hawks, masaya at mas naging porsigido ang ACLC Hawks at ginawa nila itong motivation na mas kayanin pa ang mga susunod na laban. According to their assistant coach, Bamble, he always reminds the team to stay humble, discipline, and put their character above all. Nag-focus din sila sa proper execution ng kanilang depensa, lalo na sa mga lapses nila during their last game. Coach Bamble continuously reminds them that no matter what happened, enjoy the game and always put their 100% effort on it. That's all for now. Balik sa'yo, team.
Thank you so much, Kyla. Ayan nga dito sa side ng ating ACLC Hawks. Kaya naman kitang-kita natin na kahit nanalo sila against the NCF Tigers, continuous lang yung napakagandang build-up nitong team ng ACLC Hawks. At yun nga ang plano nila ngayon, maging consistent even though nakuha na nila yung inaasam nilang panalo against doon sa number 1 seed natin sa ating Bucal Season 6, which is the NCF Tigers. But on the other side, the ACC Green Serpents having 5-4 on their rank. Ngayon namang hapon na to, ano kaya yung gagawin nila to get this win? And to hear an update all the way from the side of the ACC Green Serpents, let's hear it from Ali. Hi Ali, anong update natin dyan?
Hi Tin, and good afternoon once again, Bicolanja. The game is just getting fiercer with the ACC Junior Green Serpents and the ACLC Hawks battle their hearts out for today's third matchup. Despite the devastating result with their last head-to-head battle against the Hawks, the Junior Green Serpents are more eager to win and prove their standing as the defending champions. With weeks of hiatus, they are ready to showcase their weeks of preparation and determination to clinch another win. So join me as we witness the Serpents leader this ball game. This is Eliza Faith Respeto, the courtside resident of Amando Copy College Green Serpents, only here on Bucal Season 6 1 Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga mga kapwa. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Ali. Ayan nga itong ating ACC Green Serpents. Hindi man nila nakuha yung kanilang panalo dito against the ACLC Hawks during the first round of the elimination. They are now ready to conquer this matchup against this number 1 team dito sa ating juniors basketball. Now, tuloy-tuloy yung bakbakan natin dito sa ating first quarter as the ACC Green Serpents get their first basket dito. 4 na puntos para dito sa ating ACC. Now, on the free throw line, we have jersey number 17, Bongon. Now, let's see here. For a 3-point play. No good. Now, ACLC on the offense now. Loses it. Pero balik sa kanila yung bola. 18 seconds to shoot here. ACLC on the offense. Passes now to jersey number 2. 12 seconds to shoot here. Still no good. Walang basagre para sa ating first 5 dito sa side ng Hawks. And with that great offense coming from the side of the Green Serpents, jersey number 19, Belardo. Chance again for a 3-point play here for the side of the Green Serpents. 6-0 nothing run. Now, mukhang gusto talagang pakawatan dito nga ating ACC Green Serpents. Yung kanilang plano ngayong hapon na ito na makuha yung kanilang panalo against the ACLC Hawks. Now it's the ball possession of the Hawks here. Jersey number 2 now. Passes to Guarin. Team captain tries for a 3-pointer. No good. Pass on the corner. Tries. Palitan nandito ng error on both sides. Ball will stay on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now Lagundi to inbound. 19 seconds on the shot clock. Guarin heavily guarded here. Tries block. It's still Guarin having that ball. But a foul was whistled here. Guarin now on the free throw line here for the first basket of the Hawks. Nakuha na nga yan ni Guarin to break that back-to-back points of the ACC Green Serpents. No good on that second one. Lagundi having that second chance point here. Making it just a 3-point lead here para sa ating first quarter. Now jersey number 14, Madrona. Di diretso. Heavily guarded by Guarin. Now taking their time here. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Tries for a fadeaway, no good. Lagundi with that rebound. And that's good. Para dito kay jersey number 5, Bautista. Now Bongon loses it. Passes on the inside. But it will be a turnover para dito sa side ng ating ACLC Hawks. Mabilis nakahabol dito yung ating Hawks. 6-5. Only 1-point lead coming from the side of the Green Serpents. Now Bautista. Double team here. Guarin was there to save that ball. On the other side, Lagundi No good. Nagmamadali dito ang Green Serpents. Madrona. Fast-paced game here. You whistled foul. Wala dito yung ating best player of the game from the side of the ACLC Hawks Pasagre. So let's see what will be the changes on their team here. Now Lagundi with the ball. 20 seconds. Passes to jersey number 20. 6-5 on our scoreboard. Tries. Too short for that one. Guarin. And the ball will stay on the side of the Hawks here. Yung ating ACLC Hawks talaga yung isa sa mga nag-step up na team dito sa ating Bucal Season 6. Now let's see if it will continue up until the end. But after that last sequence, a traveling violation was committed by Eda. Or by Bien, rather. Now it's the ACC's basketball. 6 minutes and 12 seconds remaining. Jersey number 18. Step back for 3. But a foul was whistled. So 3 free throws will be given to Mayor. Now, shoutout muna tayo dito kay Elisa Rodriguez Parafina at kay Jocelyn Narvaez Canale. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay para dito sa ating third game this afternoon, ACLC Hawks versus the ACC Green Serpents. Now, no good on that first attempt of Mayor. Of course, we would like to thank our sponsors. We have Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Laman Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings at Garden Café. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga sponsors. Now, back to the ball game. Now, kita dito yung depensa ng dalawang kupunan. Lagundi having that ball. 9 seconds to shoot. Passes inside. Lagundi loses it. Jersey number 17 was there to save that ball. Long three. But a foul was whistled there. We're halfway through the first quarter of the game. And still, we're stuck on 6-5 with that great defense of the Hawks and the Green Serpents. Nabongon passes here to jersey number 6, tries for a three-pointer, no good. Long pass here, Lagundi, libre. Taking on the lead here para sa Hawks. Ball will stay on the side of the Green Serpents. Minutes and 7 seconds remaining with a 1-point lead coming from the side of the ACLC. Now Bongon, first free throw was no good. No. We're still waiting for the step up of the game of this both teams. Madrona. Wala dito ngayon sa loob para sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Wala on the other side, Pasagre naman. So this is a good matchup between these two strong teams. Now a steal from the side of the Green Serpents. Bongo now with the ball. Whistled foul. Penalty na ngayon yung ating ACLC Hawks. Again, back on the free throw line, Bongon for 2 free throws here. That's good for his first basket. Taking on the lead here. Now Bongon for his second free throw. ACC on the lead. Now Hawks on the offense. Lagundi for a quick three. No good. Mayor. What will the ACC do at this moment to extend their lead against the ACLC Hawks? Tira lang dito ng tira. Now, libre. Jersey number 20 now, Sandigan. ACC on the offense. Mayor passes to jersey number 10. Was a foul. Wala pa tayo masyadong nakikita na nag-step up the player dito. Because all of the players really contributing here for the first quarter of the game. Madrona back on the court for the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now jersey number 19, Belardo. First free throw, no good. Mukhang nahihirapan itong ating ACC Green Serpents dun sa kanilang mga free throw opportunities, which is a big loss for them. Right now, ACLC having that 1-point lead. They needed that. ACC's basketball, Mayor to inbound. 14 seconds to shoot here. Now Madrona. 4-minute mark on our first quarter. Madrona tries for a 3-pointer. Still no good on the offense of the ACC. Now jersey number 30 is still from the side of the Green Serpents. Napakagandang pagbabalik para dito sa Green Serpents. Iblugin. Now, let's look again on that sequence. Iblugin having that easy too. Now, what time it was called here? 3 minutes and 40 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter. A 1-point lead coming from the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Yan, shoutout muna tayo dito kay Rick Puerta at kay Sir Paulo Limchanco. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. And of course, kay John Basales. Maraming salamat din po. And of course, kay Sir James Angelo Gabarda, Sir Jameson Brenya, kay Sir Kim Monteroso, at kay Mom Murnella Berido. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-anta. Three minutes and 40 seconds. Let's see, with that 1-point lead of the ACC Green Serpents, what will happen now? Low scoring tayo para sa quarter na ito. Now, let's see, with that defense of both teams. ACLC's basketball. Now, Razon. Natawagan dito ng foul si Iblugin. Hawks on the offense now. Hindi ka na mawala yung bola. Good recovery from the side of the Hawks here. Diretso, pass to Guarin, heavily guarded here. Razon was there, but still from the side of the Green Serpents. Iblugin, nagmamadali ulit. And even with distractions, an easy two was committed on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Ball will stay on the side of the Hawks. 14 seconds to shoot here. It's 12-9 on our scoreboard. A pushing foul was whistled here to Iblukin. Now 14 seconds to shoot on the side of the Hawks. Gorin. No good. And a chance here for the ACC Green Serpents to extend their lead before the first quarter ends. Madrona now on the free throw line for 2 shots here. 2 minutes and 48 seconds remaining. First basket was good. Now Madrona for his second free throw here. No good this time. Now ACLC naghahabol dito ng 4 na puntos. Jersey number 30 now with the ball. Rempilio. Pass is on the other side. No good. Offensive rebound. Para dito kay Bien. Bien being consistent here on the side of the ACLC Hawks from the past games. Itong ating kupunan na ito, talagang isa si Bien sa mga nag-contribute ng malaki sa ACLC Hawks. But after that sequence, Serrano having that easy 2. 4-point lead here. Jersey number 17 passes to Bien again. Bien! Back-to-back points coming from him. Now, a minute and 50 seconds remaining. Madrona, pass to Mayor. Now, Iblugin loses it. But the ball will stay on the side of the Green Serpents. Madrona. Foul. And a chance for a 3-point play here after that last sequence. Let's take a look at it again. Madrona papasok sa loob. Basket count with a foul. Madrona now. Chance for a 3 points, no good. Pero still from the side of the Green Serpents. Madrona, no good. Second time, still no good here. ACLC secured that ball. A minute and 18 seconds. But a whistled foul. Now Rempilio will be on the free throw line here. Still a 4-point lead, making it a 3-point lead na lamang dito bago po magtapos ang ating first quarter. Second basket was good. Medyo nagkakainitan na dito ang ating mga players. For only first quarter. Pero mukhang nagkakainitan na dito yung mga players ng ating ACC as well as ACLC. But let's see. Now let's take a quick replay there. Now the officials will take a look at it again. Pero bago yan, quick shoutout muna tayo dito kay Kyle Tony Belen, kay Jasper Porcel at kay Jasper Abante. Maraming salamat po sa inyo pagantabay. Now 1 minute and 13 seconds remaining para dito sa matchup ng ACC and ACLC. Both teams are now on the penalty. Now, big thanks to our sponsors. We have Wow Worlds of Water, NCF TRC and NCF IMC Digital Graphics. Bucal sponsors Biggs, Ali Sportswear and Uniform, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngo and Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated. Now let's see for the final decision of our officiating officials. Now, again a replay. Jersey number 7, Vargas of the ACC Green Serpents, out of the playing court here. So now Razon will be on the free throw line here for 2 free throws and a chance to tie the game against the ACC. That's good for his first attempt. Now let's see. Now we are tied on 17-all. Both teams are now on the penalty, and still this is the ball possession of the ACLC Hawks. Chance for them to take on the lead here. Now Bien with the ball. Passes to jersey number 7. But after that, a traveling violation was committed on their side. Now ACC on the offense. Sa pagkawala dito ni Vargas, what will be the adjustment of the Green Serpents? Iblogin with the ball. Passes on the corner. Tries, no good. Began with that rebound. Hindi ka nang mawala. Bien again. In and out ball. Sayang para dito sa ating Hawks. But now, ACC mukhang babawi dito with only 34 seconds remaining on our first quarter. Jersey number 8 now. 15 seconds to shoot. Iblogin for a 3-pointer. That's good. Big 3 para dito sa ating ACC. Let's see. Jersey number 7 now. Going inside. No good. Rebound from the side of the Green Serpents. 12 seconds. Again, one more time. 5 points straight para sa side ng ACC Green Serpents. Now, Razon. 2 seconds. Tries. No good. And that's the end of our first quarter. Nakuha muli po ng ACC Green Serpents yung kalamangan dito. Ending it 22-7. Magbabalik po kami for more action sa ating second quarter. Only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. back for the second quarter of the game of the ACC Green Serpents and the ACLC Hawks. Now, steal from the side of the Green Serpents. Mayor with the ball. Yung ating first quarter nga, nakita natin yung combination ng mga laro dito ng kada players ng ACLC as well as ng ACC Green Serpents. Yung variation of plays nila, napakaganda dito. Of course, lahat ng players talagang gumagalaw dito. But now on the second quarter, they're more determined here, most especially from the side of the ACC Green Serpents and the ACLC Hawks rather. Dahil nga sila yung naghahabol dito. Now, jersey number 1. Mayor with a steal. No good on that one. Buhay was there for that rebound. Razon with that height advantage. Passes to Buhay. Tries for a 3. No good. The end for an offensive rebound. Still no good. Wala pa rin para dito sa ating ACLC Hawks. Steal coming from Razon. Medyo nahihirapan dito ang ating ACLC Hawks to convert a point. Now, Bongon, no good. Razon with that height advantage, taking on the rebound. At doon nga sa ating first quarter, the ACC Green Serpents, napakaganda ng pinakita nila dito. At nakuha pa nga nila yung momentum sa pagpasok ng ating second quarter. At para marinig natin kung ano nga ba yung magiging adjustment at pagbabago dito sa side ng ACC Green Serpents, let's hear it from Ali. Hi Ali, anong update natin dyan?
Well, thank you, Tin. We are now on the second quarter of this matchup. And during the pregame huddle, the boys were reminded to keep your head and heart on the game. Communication and early domination is a must in order for them to secure the big W. Earlier in the game, tensions are high, resulting to Vargas being ejected from the game. So Coach John emphasized to ignore and keep the momentum on their side. So just be confident with your offense and keep your defense alive. This is a redemption game, so go all out. That's the latest on the side of the Serpents. Back to you, Tin.
Thank you so much, Ali. Ayan nga, kahit nga nawala si Vargas dito on the side of the ACC Green Serpents, talagang ginawa ng paraan dito na mas lalo pa nilang galingan. And of course, mag-stick sila sa kanilang game plan. And now, sa ating side ng ating ACLC Hawks naman dito, ano kaya yung gagawin nila dito? Kaya nga sila yung naghahabol para dito sa pagpasok ng ating second quarter of the game. 24-17, medyo napalayo na yung score na nakuha dito ng ACC Green Serpents. Pero let's hear kung ano nga ba yung naging adjustment ng Hawks dito. Hi Kyla, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you so much, Tin. We are now on the second quarter of this matchup. For this quarter, coaches reminds the team to stay focused dahil kanina nga ay nakatalak sila ng mga turnovers. Kailangan nilang ma-execute ng mabuti ang depensa nila for this game at kailangan nilang sabayan ang aggressiveness na pinapakita ng ACC Green Serpents. Coaches are pointing out all the lapses that could help them this quarter. Napansin din ni Coach Bambol ang pagiging kabado ng kanyang mga players. He reminds them to stay calm and play smarter this time. Yan muna ang update sa side ng ACLC Hawks. Balik sa iyo, Team.
Thank you so much, Kyla. Yun nga, yung ating ACLC Hawks, kahit kabado dito nasabi doon sa kanilang side, eh talagang hindi naman natin nakikita at tuloy-tuloy lang yung kanilang pagpuntos dito. Now 24-17, there's still a chance here. Basagre present na dito sa side ng ating ACLC Hawks. So now let's see if there will be a big difference having one of the key players of the ACLC Hawks playing again inside the court here. Pero doon sa side nga ng ACC Green Serpents, nasabi natin, redemption game nila ito against the ACLC Hawks. Kasi on the first round, hindi nila nakuha yung kanilang panalo dito. Kung kaya ito yung chance nila para maipakita at makuha yung panalong inaasam nila against the ACLC Hawks. 7 minutes and 16 seconds remaining here for our first half. 24-17 still on our scoreboard now. Lagundi passes here to Basagre. Now Basagre with that ball possession. Didiretso dito sa loob, loses it, but Guarin was there. But a foul was whistled. He will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. Now, quick shoutout dito kay Arvin Tibos at kay Dasig Novin Baduria. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagantabay at sa pagsuporta po nitong ating ACC as well as ACLC Hawks. Now, Guarin for his second free throw. That's good. Adjusting here sa ating second quarter. Now, back-to-back steal here. Buhay. Libreng-libre. Having that great offense from their side. Na quick replay tayo dun sa napakagandang sequence na yon. Nakuha nung ACC yung bola, but Buhay was there to snatch that ball and to convert it into a point. 24-21 on our scoreboard now. 3 puntos na lang yung hinahabol ngayon ng ACLC Hawks. And with the help of all the players, talagang nagagawa nila yung trabaho nila. And of course, good communication and connection between the players. So now let's see after this timeout, ano yung gagawing adjustment naman dun sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Dahil paunti-unti na ngang hinahabol ng ACLC Hawks yung kanilang puntos dito. Now, we would like to give thanks sa ating mga live audience dito sa loob ng Ateneo Gymnasium. Most especially itong mga fans ng ACLC Hawks na talagang ayaw ma-miss yung mga laban ng kanilang kupunan. And of course, sa mga fans po ng ating ACC Green Serpents na nanonood po, Team Bahay. Talagang tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung pagbigay nila ng suporta dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents. Of course, andyan si Dasig Malvin Maduria, Alan Bonyon, Roderick Santillan, Antonio Sagin, at kay Alan Emmanuel. Maraming salamat po. Now, Mayor having that ball, pass to jersey number 8. A whistled foul there. ACC now on the penalty. Foul was called here to Lagundi. Still, it's a ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents, having that 16 seconds remaining. Now, Mayor passes on the other side, jersey number 8 for a 3-pointer. No good. Wala pa dito yung outside shooting ng ating ACC Green Serpents. ACLC's basketball. Lagundi to inbound. Now passes to Buhay. Loses it. And a steal coming from Madrona. Napakaganda nun. Talagang they take advantage of that sequence. Now, Lagundi pabawi dito for the side of the Hawks. Now let's see. ACC very determined here. Guarin was there to block it. But the ball will stay on the side of the Green Serpents. "17 seconds to shoot." Too short for that one. Offensive rebound. The whistle foul para dito kay team captain Guarin of the Hawks. Now, Mayor will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here. First basket, no good. Ngayon, hirap na hirap pa rin yung ating ACC Green Serpents doon sa ating free throw line. Now, Mayor for his second free throw. 26-23 on our scoreboard. An in and out ball. And this is an opportunity for the ACLC Hawks to snatch the lead here. Basagre, guarded by Eda. Basagre going inside, passes on the other side. Basagre muli may bola, pero a snatch coming from Madrona. Eda ngayon may hawak ng bola. Good connection for second chance point para dito kay Mayor. We're halfway through the first half of the game. Again, Madrona. Napakaganda ng defense na ipinapakita ngayon ng ating ACC Green Serpents. 4 minutes and 58 seconds. It's the ball possession still of the ACC Green Serpents. Guarin, denied. Eda, pero rebound coming from Guarin here. Sandigan with the ball, heavily guarded. Passes the jersey number 18, going inside. Sandigan again with the ball. Nahihirapan dito, Lagundi. Now on the inside, but loses it. Bongon ngayon, nagmamadali. Was a foul. Now Bongon, no good on his first free throw. 28-23, a 5-point lead coming from the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Second free throw was good. Now Hawks, another steal from the side of the Green Serpents. Mayor passes para dito kay jersey number 19, Belardo. Napakaganda no nagiging connection ngayon ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Now Sandigan, 13 seconds. Turempilio. Ball will stay on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Napapansin natin na yung pagkakaiba ng laro ngayon ng ACLC Hawks from their past games. Mukhang nahihirapan sila dito with that defense of the ACC Green Serpents. 31-23. At napakaganda nga nung pagbabalik dito ng ACC Green Serpents. Dahil nga gusto nilang makuha yung kanilang panalo against the ACLC Hawks here. With a remaining time of 3 minutes and 47 seconds, let's see what will happen here. Nasa side pa rin ng Green Serpents yung 8 puntos na kalamangan dito. While the ACLC Hawks medyo nahihirapan nga doon sa depensa. Doon sa ipinapakita ng ating ACC Green Serpents. So let's see after this timeout what will be the adjustment on their side. Lalong-lalo na medyo nahihirapan sila from offense to defense. Pero itong ating ACC Green Serpents talagang ini-enjoy nila yung laro nila ngayon at napakaganda ng connection na meron yung mga players natin. Now let's see here as this is the ball possession of the ACLC Hawks. Mukhang babawi naman dito after this timeout. Now Sandigan to inbound. Passes to Guarin. Ball will stay on the side of the Hawks. 6 seconds remaining. Sandigan again to inbound. Grabe yung depensang ipinapakita talaga ng ACC Green Serpents. ACLC Hawks. Nahihirapan dito. Now, Guarin with the ball. Pass to jersey number 6, and that's good. Now, ACC's basketball. Now, a fast break coming from the side of the ACC. Extending their lead here by 8 points. Another steal from the side of the Green Serpents, jersey number 11 now. Pass on the inside, back-to-back points para dito sa ating Green Serpents. Pag-iiwanan na yung ating ACLC Hawks dito. Now they need to do something about this before the second quarter ends. Jersey number 18 now, 14 seconds to shoot, going inside, no good. Green Serpents on the offense. Mayor now taking their time, passes to Bomon. Bomon heavily guarded, but a whistled foul. Now the lead is now on 10 points, double digit para dito sa ating quarter. Bongo now on the free throw line. First free throw, that's good. Second free throw. Now let's see Bongon. 3-on-2. At mukhang kahit sa free throw, nag-a-adjust na din yung ating ECC Green Serpents. Now ball possession of the ACLC Hawks. Jersey number 5, Bautista. Mamadali dito. 18 seconds to shoot. Heavily guarded here, loses it. Good recovery, but still from the side of the Green Serpents. Fast break coming from Aringo. Now this is 6-0 nothing run. Tuloy-tuloy yung steal dito ng ating Green Serpents. Aringo, no good this time. Wake up call para dito sa ating Hawks. Sandigan. Tatawagan dito ng foul si jersey number 19, Belardo. Substitution on the side of the Green Serpents. 1 minute and 51 seconds remaining. ACC Green Serpents extending their lead here, 39-25. Both teams are now on the penalty. Sandigan for his second free throw. Second free throw was good. Now, ACC on the offense. Jersey number 6 passes here to 12 for a three-pointer. No good. Jersey number 6 on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Ontolan. First free throw. No good. 39-27, 12-point lead of the ACC Green Serpents. 1 minute and 32 seconds remaining. Now the second quarter was on the side of the Green Serpents here. Now, It's the ball possession of the Green Serpents. Jersey number 12 now with the ball. They're stepping on the line. Good chance para dito sa ating ACLC Hawks to lessen that gap of the Green Serpents bago po magtapos itong ating first half. Now Sandigan, 14 seconds to shoot here. Sandigan passes now to Razon. Back to Sandigan with 10 seconds on the shot clock. But a whistle foul here for Serrano. Now Guarin on the free throw line. And the timeout was called here. 1 minute and 16 seconds remaining. 39-28. 11-point lead yung hawak ngayon ng ating ACC Green Serpents. At napakaganda nga nung sunod-sunod na steal na nagawa dito ng kupunan ng ating Green Serpents. And with that, na-adjust nila yung kanilang kalamangan sa double digit. At ito yung hinahabol ngayon ng ating ACLC Hawks. And up until now, nahihirapan sila because of the defense that the ACC Green Serpents have now. At pagkatapos itong timeout natin, with that remaining time of 1 minute and 16 seconds, what will be the adjustment here of the ACLC Hawks? Mukhang pagkatapos nung laban nila against the NCF Tigers, and after a long break, mukhang namahinga talaga itong ating ACLC Hawks. Hindi natin nakikita yung napakagandang laro nila na ipinapakita nila during the early days of Bucal Season 6. Now, ball possession of the ACC. Good recovery for their side. Now Serrano, heavily guarded by Guarin. No good. Sandigan was there. 16 seconds, Guarin. Double team here. Passes to Sandigan. Sandigan gagawa ng paraan. Guarin nasa baba, pero nahihirapan dito. Sandigan for a fadeaway shot. 35 seconds remaining para sa ating first half. Nagkakaagawa ng bola. ACC's basketball. Now, it's the Hawks basketball. Tinawagan na nga po ng technical itong coach ng ating ACC Green Serpents. So, Sandigan on the free throw line there. 39-13 na ibaba nila sa shot yung kanilang kalamangan dito. And it will be Razon to have this free throw. Both teams are now on the penalty. First free throw, that's good. Now let's see if they can lessen it again. Now ball possession of the Hawks here. 30 seconds remaining and 14 seconds remaining on their shot clock. Hawks, Razon now with the ball. Passes to jersey number 6. Heavily guarded. Back to Razon. 5 seconds on time. No good. Guarin with that rebound. But a foul was whistled here. So the ball will stay, or the ball will go on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. 17 seconds remaining here. 39-31. 8 points yung hawak na kalamangan ngayon ng ating ACC Green Serpents, and they can adjust and extend that now that Mayor will be on the free throw line here for 2 shots. Now Mayor on the free throw line. Now that's good para dito kay Mayor. 17 seconds to shoot here. 41-31. Adjusting it to a 10-point lead here. Now Razon to Bautista. Bautista going inside. Loses it. We only have 9 seconds remaining. ACLC. Passes to Garin. Now on the quarter for a 3-pointer. No good. Madrona. Long pass. 0.78 counts remaining for our first half of the game here. 41-31. And with that, that's the end of our second quarter. 41-31 in favor of the ACC Green Serpents. We will be back for the second half of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, Exceptional faculty and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, bitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence and service with us.
And we are back for the third quarter of the game of the ACLC Hawks and the ACC Green Serpents. At doon nga po sa pagtapos ng ating first half, nakuha ng ACC Green Serpents yung napakalaking kalamangan dito. A 10-point lead was committed on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Napakaganda nung pinakita nilang performance during the second quarter of the game. And now let's see if they will be consistent here up until the end of the game. While on the other side, the ACLC Hawks, medyo nahihirapan pa dito dahil nga nakikita natin yung napakaganda at strong na depensa ng ACC Green Serpents. Now as we're going to start this third quarter, this is the ball possession of the ACLC Hawks. Now Naga. Pass on the inside. Guarin with the ball. Turn. No good on that one. Now Mayor. 41-31. Madrona passes to Bongon. 6 seconds to shoot here. An air ball. Nakakaagaw ng bola. We would like to thank the fans of the ACLC Hawks and the ACC Green Serpents na up until now talagang nakasubaybay dito sa laro ng ating dalawang kupunan. Now, as we can see on our halftime analysis, ACC Green Serpents dun sa ating first half, napakaganda nung kanilang naging performance dito. Still, they have 17 versus 2 of the ACLC Hawks. Napakaganda kung kaya naman nakuha nila itong adjustment and advancement para sa kanilang team dahil nga nakuha nila yung napakarami still dito and converting it into a point. A good defense and a good offense from their side. But on the other side, the ACLC Hawks, medyo hindi pa natin nakikita yung magandang laro nila dito. Kung kaya titinan natin dito sa ating second half of the game, if there will be changes here, dahil nga wala dito yung mga talagang nagbibigay puntos sa side ng ACLC Hawks, just like Basagre. But now, let's hear it from our courtside reporter, Kyla. Kyla, anong balita natin dyan?
Thank you so much, Dean. We are now on the third quarter of this matchup. Madami pa rin nga ang naitalang turnovers sa side ng Hawks. Nahihirapan man dahil sa pinapakitang aggressiveness ng kalaban. Their teammates and coaches reminds them na kailangan lang sumabay dito at execute ng maayos ang game plan and system nila for the second half of this game. During the huddle, Coach Bambo reminds them that they are out of focus at gusto kagad nila makapuntos. Kailangan dahan-dahanin para ma-execute ng maayos ang kanilang opensa at depensa dito. Sabi pa ng coaches, dala-dala natin ang school pride. Kailangan gawin lahat para dito. They need to be patient at unti-unting habulin ang kalamangan ng kanilang kalaban. Muna for now, balik sa'yo.
Thank you so much, Kyla. Ayan nga, itong ating ACLC Hawks, talagang napapansin natin na wala talaga sa focus itong kanilang kupunan. And they need to do something about this. Dahil napapalaki na yung kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng ating ACC Green Serpents, they need to stick on their game plan. But on the other side, the ACC Green Serpents, a good performance here for the starting of the third quarter. And to hear an update all the way from the side of the ACC Green Serpents, let's hear it from Ali. Hi Ali, anong update natin dyan?
Well, thank you, Tin. We are now on the second half of the game, and during the huddle, the boys were reminded to always stick to the game plan and counter the pressure defense of the opponent by passing the ball immediately to your teammates. Ika nga sabi ni Coach John, less dribble, less mistake. Their free throw attempts were also pointed out, kaya naman Coach John emphasized to just relax the free throw line and don't lose the opportunity for free basket. Last 20 minutes of the game, focus. That's the update here on the side of the Serpents. Back to you, Tim.
Thank you so much, Ali. Ayan nga, kahit dito sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents, napansin na nga natin na doon sa kanilang free throw opportunity, kahit isang puntos lang, napaka-importante na para dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents. And they need to have that free throw opportunities para mas mapalamang pa nila yung kanilang puntos against the ACC Green Serpents.
Now, ACC on the offense. Jersey number 18 finding his way in. And what a great point conversion on that last sequence para dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents. And they still on their side. They're making sure na hindi na talaga dito makakahabol ang ating ACLC Naga. But on the side of the ACLC Naga, medyo mahaba-haba pa itong 6 minutes and 20 seconds remaining para sa ating third quarter at mapapatawag nga ng timeout dito ang ACLC Naga dahil medyo ubaabante na naman dito ang ACC Green Serpents. Ayan, magbabalik po kami after this short break.
Now we are back here for the continuation of the third quarter of the matchup. of the ACC Green Serpents and the ACLC Hawks. And we can see the momentum of the ACC Green Serpents dito sa pagpasok na ating third quarter and still extending their lead here against the ACLC Naga. Now, this is the moment that the Hawks need to step up. Dahil kung makikita po natin, we're halfway through the third quarter and we can see the difference of the play here of the ACLC Hawks from their past games. So they need to step up now. Dahil itong ating ACC Green Serpents, tuloy-tuloy yung magpagkuha ng kanilang putos. Now, and with that, another 3-pointer was committed from the side of the Green Serpents. Kudos para dito kay Mayor na talagang isa sa mga nagbuhat ng ACC Green Serpents dito sa laban nila against the ACLC Hawks. Now, Rempilio passes on the inside again. Back to Rempilio. Babawi sa 3. That's a big 3 coming from the side of the Hawks. Mas lalo na ngayon nagkahabol sila dito. Now, it's still a big lead here. But the Hawks still continues to get a point here. But now, it's the ball possession of the Green Serpents. 10 seconds to shoot here. And that's an offensive foul committed by jersey number 17 of the Hawks here. Mase, yung tatawagan dyan ng offensive foul. Now, Razon. Nagkakagawan dito, Madrona. Now it's the ACC's basketball. Yan, shoutout tayo dito kay Irish France, kay Nicolas Candano at kay Chen Shaira Sambo. Nicolas, maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now, a steal from the side of the Green Serpents here. Passes now to Mayor. 17 seconds. Serrano now with the ball. Tries, no good. Bien secure that ball. But after that sequence, the foul was whistled here. Para dito kay jersey number 8 ng ACC Green Serpents to si Eda. Now, ACLC's basketball. Rempilio. Heavily guarded here. Rempilio papasok sa loob. Tries. Basket count with a foul. Nagkagulo yung mga fans dito ng ACLC Hawks now. A quick replay of that nerve-wracking sequence. Rempilio. Napakaganda nung ipinakita niya doon. Now, chance for a 3-point opportunity. 54-40 na ibaba nila sa 14 points yung kalamangan ngayon ng ACC Green Serpents. But still, this is a big difference pa rin po na hawak ngayon ng Green Serpents. Now, 3 minutes and 57 seconds remaining. Offensive rebound dito, but a steal from the side of the Green Serpents. Mayor now with the ball. Passes here to jersey number 8, but denied here. And the ball will go on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now, substitution here. Bongon. Babalik muli sa loob ng court from the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, jersey number 17, Mase. Pass to Rempilio. That's an 8 seconds violation. lost opportunity para dito sa Hawks. Napakaganda na sana nabibuild nilang momentum ngayon. But a violation was committed here on their side. Now let's see here, Bongon to inbound. 14 seconds to shoot on their side. Bongon again with the ball. Now fakes a 3. Passes to Mayor. Mayor ngayon, patitira. No good. Mase with that rebound. But Serrano was there. Denied by Bien. And a foul was whistled here. Now jersey number 11 now on the free throw line. Arrigo. No good. Now second free throw. Aringo. Still no good. Now it will be the ball possession of the ACLC Hawks. 54-40, 3 minutes and 15 seconds remaining here for our third quarter. Rizal with the ball. Passes now to Masi. Taking up their time here. Masi going inside. Tries, no good. Rebound here by Bongon. Now, Mayor may hawak ng bola. 15 seconds remaining. The pass is on the corner here. Obligón, no good. Razon without rebound. Nagmamadali dito, Mase. A good connection to Rempilio. And the crowd goes wild as the ACLC Hawks continues in getting that score. 54-42, down to 12 points. Yung kalamangan ng ACC Green Serpents. But a three-pointer coming from Iblugin. Extending their lead again here. Now Masa nagmamadali dito. Passes on the inside, loses it. Jersey number 7. Now whistle foul. Minute and 54 seconds remaining. Seconds remaining for the side of the Hawks here. Jersey number 7 to inbound. Passes to Rizon. Both teams are now on the penalty, still from the side of the Green Serpents. But a whistled foul here. Rizon tatawagan dyan ng foul. Iblugin ngayon. Nasa free throw line for 2 shots. That's good. Now for the second free throw of Iblugin. Iblugin now for his second free throw. No good. Zone without rebound. The pass to Rempilio. Rempilio to Mase. Loses it. But that's an 8 seconds violation. Good defense coming from the side of the ECC Green Serpents. Minute and 32 seconds remaining on our third quarter. Jersey number 4 now to inbound. Burilia. The passes to Iblugin. Burilia again with the ball. Now jersey number 6, heavily guarded here. 5 seconds to shoot. Goes inside. No good. Offensive rebound, Iblugin. And the ball will stay on the side of the Green Serpents. First free throw was no good here. Para dito kay Iblugin. Second free throw, let's see. That's good this time. Now, ACLC's basketball. Razon. 1 minute mark here. Razon goes inside. Napakagandang conversion of point coming from Razon with that height advantage. Easily purchased. Now, titira ng tres dito. And that's a big three. With a foul. So a 4-point opportunity for the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Jersey number 11, Aringo. Napakaganda na performance na pinakita niya during the third quarter of the game. No chance here for a 4-point play. Aringo. That's good. Now, ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. Aringo again. No good this time. A steal coming from the side of the ACC, denied here. Another steal. Green Serpents back at it again. Iblugin having that easy point. 25 seconds remaining. Razon basket count with a foul. Now a quick shout out to Ayla Mirandilla Marbella, kay A. Sumad, kay Elisa Rodriguez Parfina at kay Bibeth Mayor. Maraming salamat po sa inyo pagantabay. Now 22 seconds remaining in our third quarter. 65-46. Razon now on the free throw line for a 3-point opportunity, and that's good. And an 18-point lead here. Now jersey number 4. Passes here. Aringo. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to jersey number 6, Alicando. Alicando. Attempt. Pero a traveling violation was committed. 2 seconds remaining. Now let's see what will happen here. Will there be a point for the side of the ACLC Hawks? Pero a steal. And that's the end of the third quarter of the game. 65-47 in favor of the ACC Green Serpents. We will be back for the fourth and last quarter of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium sa pagpapatuloy ng ating matchup. It's between the ACLC Hawks versus the ACC Green Serpents. We are now on our fourth and final quarter. So this is the final stretch for both teams to showcase their talent and at least make sure na mapapasa kanila ang panalo this afternoon. So ball possession ng ACC Green Serpents.
Now, jersey number 17. Good point here for the fourth quarter of the game. Good start para dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents. Now ACLC's basketball, jersey number 5, Bautista. Passes to Bien. Bien ngayon with that ball back to Bautista. Goes inside to Borin. On the corner. 8 seconds to shoot here. Now tries for a three-pointer. Sandigan no good. Borin with that offensive rebound. Basket count with a foul. Mukhang tuloy-tuloy na yung pagbabago ng adjustment ng gameplay dito ng ating ACLC Hawks. But still, the lead is on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. And to hear an update all the way from this side, let's hear it from Ali. Hi Ali, anong balita natin dyan?
Well, thank you, Tin. We are now on the last quarter of this matchup. And during the huddle, the boys were commended for their effective communication inside the hard court. However, despite their performance, they were still reminded to not be complacent, rather hustle harder. Last quarter is not the time to go lousy, but rather 20% of your effort is needed for sure win. Take your time at huwag magmamadali dahil kakampi natin ng oras. That's the update here on the side of the Serpents.
Thank you so much, Ali. Ayan nga, huwag magmadali for the side of the ACC Green Serpents, but still get on the game here dahil hindi natin alam. We only have 8 minutes and 24 seconds. There will be a change of momentum here if sakali man na hindi bitawan itong ACLC yung sunod-sunod nilang pagputos.
And 3 points ang papakulan dito ng ACLC Naga. And speaking of the ACLC Hawks, ano kaya ang update ng courtside reporter all the way from their bench? Kyla Casulya, anong balita dyan?
Thank you so much, Dean. We are now on the fourth quarter of this matchup for the last quarter of the game. Coach Bambol reminds them not to waste the effort at kailangan na nilang ibuhos lahat for this quarter. Patuloy ang kanyang pagpapalakas ng loob sa kanyang mga players to never give up dahil hindi pa tapos ang laban. At lalo na for this quarter dahil paniguradong bakbakan ang laban dito sa fourth quarter. They really need to use their mind, communicate well, execute their team effort and chemistry for the last quarter of the game. Yan muna ang update sa side ng Hawks. Balik sa'yo, team.
Thank you so much, Kyla. Ayan nga, ito na yung last opportunity, last chance para sa ACLC Hawks to give their all. Dahil sa 8-minute mark na yan, maraming pwedeng mangyari. ACC Green Serpents pwedeng magpatuloy, napakagandang offense as well as the defense. But on the other side, the ACLC Hawks needs to double their effort now. That we can see dahil nga hindi ito yung laro nakita natin during the first games of ACLC Hawks. Kaya gusto nating makita kung kailan ba mag-step up itong ating ACLC Hawks. But now, Mayor with that fast break, adjusting and extending their lead against the ACLC Hawks. And at this point of time, with that big difference of the score of the Hawks and the Green Serpents, they need to double their effort now. And as we can see, talagang gigil na dito yung ating ACLC Hawks para makuha yung ball possession and to get the point dahil lumalaki po yung kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng ating ACC Green Serpents.
70-52 on our scoreboard. Ano kayang magiging adjustment dito when it comes to the defense and offense ng ACLC Hawks? Because 7 minutes and 16 seconds na lamang po ang natitira para sa ating huling quarter. So no room for errors and turnovers para dito sa ACLC Hawks. And on the other side of things, ACC Green Serpents needs to be consistent and wag maging kampante because we know kung paano maglaro itong ACLC Naga. And jersey number 10 on your screen, for that 2 points. Madrona, heavily guarded here, and Madrona will get a point coming from that fadeaway shot. And still coming from him, napakaganda ng ginagawa ngayon ng ECC Green Serpents. Talagang they are making sure na hindi dito makakahabol ang ACLC Naga. Napakakulit ng depensa. And now Madrona, itatawid ang bola. $20 big points ang iniingatan dito ng ACC Green Serpents, but a timeout was called on their side to clear things out because again, ACLC Naga paunti-unti nagkakaroon din ng magandang pasa at opensa. So ano kayang magiging adjustment dito on the side of the ACC Green Serpents? Yan ang aabangan natin maya-maya. Ayan, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Café, Nagayon Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range, and Converge ICT Solution Incorporated and Ravenous Communication Incorporated. Again, this live coverage is powered by Converge FiberX. Maraming salamat po.
At ayan nga, Rick, we are back on the ball game here. 74-56 on our scoreboard. 5 minutes and 55 seconds, almost halfway through this game of the ACLC Hawks and the ACC Green Serpents, and we can see the very big difference between the score of these both teams dahil nakita natin yung naging magandang momentum ng ACC Green Serpents from the start of the third quarter, and up until now hawak-hawak pa rin nila yung napakalaking kalamangan na yan against the Hawks, while on the other side the ACLC talagang tuloy-tuloy yung kanilang pakikipaglaban dito to get a point here and to lessen that gap dahil meron pa silang halos kalahati dito pwedeng gawin or gawan ng paraan para mabawasan yung kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng ating ACC Green Serpents. It will not be easy, but with determination and connection of the players, the ACLC Hawks can do anything. From the offense to defense, they can do it both. At ngayon, yun yung kailangan ngayon ng ating ACLC Hawks. Kaya naman, kailangan doble effort yung ibibigay nila sa kada ball possession na meron sila. And to secure that ball, dahil kitang-kita naman natin yung napakagandang depensa ng ACC Green Serpents. And speaking of that, another steal was committed on the side of the Green Serpents here. Now they have the ball possession. 5 minutes and 9 seconds remaining. Bongo now with a 3-pointer, no good. Razon with that rebound. Si Razon yung isa sa mga naging dahilan kung bakit nakukuha ng ACLC Hawks yung kanilang ball possession with that height advantage. Kanina pa natin sinasabi, napakalaking tulong para dito sa kupunan ng ating ACLC Hawks. At isang malaking kawalan din po yung pagkawala dito ni Basagre para naman doon sa magandang laro ng ACLC Hawks. Kasi on the past games of the ACLC, Basagre talaga yung nagbibigay ng napakagandang puntos at laro dito. But now, with his absence, kanina pumasok siya during the second quarter, but still, we can feel the difference between it. And now, let's see, as Razon again get that ball. Pero masyadong mahaba yung pasa dito ni Razon. So it will be a turnover for the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now 4 minutes and 12 seconds remaining, 76-56, 20 big points ang kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng Green Serpents, and they can extend that. Now, 9 seconds on the shot clock here for a 3-pointer, no good. Now Lagundi with the ball. Lagundi loses it, but Razon was there. And an easy 2 para dito kay jersey number 6. ng ACLC Hawks na si Ontolan. Now, ball possession of the Green Serpents. Mayor taking up their time here. Passes to Bongon. 12 seconds to shoot. No good on that one. Razon with that rebound. Now Rempilio heavily guarded there. Now going inside. But a whistled foul. Napakabilis lang ng oras natin dito. The substitution on both sides. 3 minutes and 17 seconds remaining. 76-58 on our scoreboard. Now Rempilio will be on the free throw line for 2 shots there. Now Rempilio. No good. Now ACC. Ball possession ulit nila. Pagkakataon ay extend yung kanilang napakalaking kalamangan dito. Now Mayor. Passes here to Serrano. Serrano denied. Mase with a long pass. Rempilio ngayon nasa dulo pero hindi nakuha yung bola. So another turnover for the side of the ACLC Hawks na kailangan nilang bawasan. But with that 2 minutes and 53 seconds, it will be a short time for them. Talagang habulin yung napakalaking kalamangan ngayon dito. Now, jersey number 6 passes to jersey number 4. Now, Iblogin, 10 seconds to shoot here. Hindi ka na mula yung bola, but passes on the other side. Razon getting that ball. 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Razon papasok sa loob, cutting that basket. 76-59, 17-point lead of the ACC Green Serpents with 2 minutes and 17 seconds remaining. It will be hard for the ACLC but with a great defense here. Mawabawasan yan pagpuntos dito ng ACC Green Serpents. But that will be a traveling violation committed on their side here. An opportunity for the ACLC Hawks. Now Mase to inbound. Pass here to Sandigan. Now that's the announcement. Last 2 minutes of the game here of the ACLC and the ACC. Now a quick shoutout dito kay Isabella at Irish Frances na nagpapa-shoutout sa mga kaklase niya. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Na jersey number 6 nagmamadali dito. Passes to jersey number 4. A good assist here between these two players. Now, a minute and 36 seconds. 76-63. ACC on the offense. Passes on the inside. Now, fadeaway shot. Naipasok pa yun doon. Nagmamadali dito ang ating Hawks. Jersey number 6 again loses it. And the ball will go on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Jersey number 12. Pass to Iblogin. Now on the outside for a three-pointer. That's good! 1 minute mark and a three-pointer coming from the ACC Green Serpents. Buhay with that ball. Still no good here for the side of the ACLC, but offensive rebound. Loses it again. ACC on the offense. Iblogin libre. Now with that 33 seconds remaining, we can finally say, or we are sure, that the ACC, pinakatawanan nila yung sinabi nila doon sa pagsimula pa lang ng laban na ito against the ACLC Naga, that this is their redemption game and they need to have this win dahil hindi na nga sila pinalad na makuha yung panalo during the first round of the elimination. And now, winning against the ACLC Naga is one of the accomplishments now of the ACC Green Serpents. A good matchup between these two teams. Dahil nakita nga natin yung pag-iiba ng laro ng ACC Green Serpents during the start of the Bucal Season 6 and seeing them winning against the ACLC Naga number 1 sa ating Bucal Season 6 Juniors Division, napakalaking bagay na sa kanila. And with that, the confirmation was right there. Our winner for this matchup is the ACC Green Serpents, ending it with 83-65. A very big difference at napakagandang laban din po ang binigay sa atin ng ating ACLC Hawks. And sa ating pagbabalik po, kikilalanin na natin ang ating best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Lakas tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, bitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Lakas tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence and service with us.
Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
And our best player of the game is brought to you by NCF V Gallery and Museum. At ang ating best player of the game natin ay ang ating jersey number 10 from the side of the ACC Green Serpents, Prince Ibloguin, with 20 points, 2 rebounds, 3 assists, and 4 steals. Again, congratulations sa ating ACC Green Serpents dahil napakaganda pong laban ang ibinigay nila against the ACLC Hawks. At sa ating pong last game, it will be the STI Olympians versus the Mariners Blue Dolphins para sa ating Seniors Division. And again, nakakasama niyo pa rin po ako. I am Christina Canza Reyes, only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.